Hello, Miss Marianne here with our summer reading program. Remember, it's Imagine Your Story, and this week's theme is about unicorns. This story today is for 2.5-year-olds to rising first grade, and the first story is Goodnight Unicorn. The author is Pearl E. Horne, and it's illustrated by Kendra Spanjer. Goodnight, Unicorn. In the great green wood, there were sweet hawthorns and breezes warm, and a blessing of unicorns with spiraling horns. There were 3 little fairies sitting on cherries, and 2 drowsy foals being read to by trolls. And pearly white coats and rainbows afloat, and a big red balloon, and of course, a full moon. And flowing silk manes, and nighttime refrains, and a gnome with a brush, and a nuzzling blush, and soft phoenix feathers that fall with a hush. Good night, unicorns. Good night, horns. Good night, breeze and sweet hawthorns. Good night, fairies. Good night, cherries. Good night, foals, and good night, trolls. Good night, Olden. Good night, beauty. Good night, cutie with tattooed patootie. Good night, purple. Good night, pink. Good night, colts and bashful wink. Good night, rainbow. Good night, jet black. Good night, plum and flutterback. Good night, mane and lashy eyes. Good night, gnome and dragonfly. Good night, Fluffy. Good night, Balloon. Good night, Goodness. Good night, Moon. Good night, Wonder beyond compare. Good night, unicorn lovers everywhere. The end. Are you a unicorn lover? I am. And here I have 5 little unicorns. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 little unicorns playing in the sun. The first one said, "I'm having lots of fun." The second one said, "See my shiny horn?" The third one said, "Of course, you're a unicorn." The fourth one said, "I'm as white as snow." The fifth one said, "So are we, you know." 5 little unicorns playing in the sun. Maybe you could try that at home, and you could hold up your hand and do the same little rhyme that I did. I do have one more book for you, and this is about Uni the Unicorn. And the author is Amy Krouse Rosenthal, and it was illustrated by Brigette Barrager. Uni the Unicorn. In almost every way, Uni was like all the other unicorns. A magnificent mane, though Uni's was extra magnificent. Golden hooves, though Uni's were extra golden. Sparkling purple eyes, though Uni's were extra sparkly. Like the other unicorns, Uni had a special swirly horn with the power to heal and mend. And like the other unicorns, Uni could make wishes come true. But there was one thing that definitely set Uni apart. Uni believed that little girls were real. Uni's friends laughed and said, "Ha ha ha, silly Uni. Everyone knows there's no such thing as little girls. They're just make-believe." At home, Uni's parents just brushed it off with knowing smiles. But Uni was certain, absolutely certain, that little girls were real, no matter what everyone said. Uni knew that somewhere far away, but not that far away, there was a little girl waiting, a strong, smart, wonderful, magical girl. And she would be the best friend a unicorn could ever ask for. Uni imagined all of those things and what they would do together. They would run fast through the meadow. They would spin and twirl in the sunlight. They would explore and help the forest creatures to mend. Other times, they would just sit quietly and talk about important things. And of course, they would slide down rainbows together. Doesn't that look fun? Uni fell asleep that night and had enchanted dreams. What Uni did not yet know, but would discover soon enough, was that somewhere far away, but not that far away, there was indeed a real little girl. And even though her friends said, "Ha ha ha, unicorns are just make-believe," and despite her parents' knowing smiles, this little girl was certain, absolutely certain, that there was a unicorn, a strong, smart, wonderful, magical unicorn, just waiting to be her friend. The end. Now we do have a craft for you this week, and it's a unicorn, just like that. In the kit, you will get a paper plate, like this, a sparkly unicorn horn, which you will take some glue and stick down like this. And there's some colored unicorn hair. And again, take a little glue, put it around here, and stick down your hair. Then you'll use a marker to make some curvy eyes and some lashes. And we have 2 circles that you'll glue on for cheeks. And of course, every unicorn needs some ears. So there's a small pink one and a white one, which you will stick together like that with some glue. And then you will add it on either side of the unicorn's spirally horn. And that is your unicorn. We also have a couple activity sheets for you. And the first one is a maze. So you're going to start up by the unicorn's horn, and you have to find your way all the way down out the neck. Don't cross any lines. We also have a unicorn coloring sheet for you too. So we hope that you enjoy those. And there's a picture of the unicorn. That'll help you put your unicorn together. So I hope you enjoyed our stories today, and I hope I'll see you at story time on Tuesdays in Deltaville at 10:30 or Tuesdays in Urbana at 10:30. Or not Tuesday, sorry, Wednesday in Urbana at 10:30. And we meet outside. So bring a chair. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.